A disk is performing pure rolling on a smooth stationary surface with constant angular velocity as shown in the figure. At any instant, for the lowermost point of the disk, which of the following options is correct? The options deal with velocity and acceleration. Since there is no acceleration due to its horizontal velocity, that is, there is no acceleration of the center of mass, the only acceleration at any point on the body would be equal to the centripetal acceleration. Hence, A is definitely equal to v square divided by r. So this rules out options A and B. What is the velocity of the bottommost point? We are told that disk is performing pure rolling. That means the contact point does not slip on the ground, which means the contact point is stationary. So the lowermost point of the disk has a velocity of 0, and hence option D is the correct answer.